whole experience from beginning to finish was A+. If you need a roof, I know the perfect place for you to go. I had called 2 other roofers and they never got back to me. So I went right over to Klaus. I walk in the door and they're all waving to me and I thought, my God, this is like home. You don't find that in businesses today. Ready to listen to whatever you have to say. I think it was Lynn and she made the appointment with me for Ryan and he was just amazing. You know, he answered every question that I had. He explained everything. He went up into the attic to see where the leak was. He showed me where the problem areas were and he was just amazing. And those workers, I mean, they protected the windows, they protected all the flower. I was amazed because they moved the plants away from the house, put them out in the ground, took pictures of it so that they knew exactly where to put them back. RJ was here. You know, he said to me, if there's anything that you need, let me know if you want a coffee. And I thought, my goodness, above and beyond, yeah. Like I said, an A+ experience for me. Probably one of the best investments that I've made for this house. I don't plan to leave here anytime soon. I love my house and I love the way it looks. Check out Klaus.